Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn our chapter number 2, Challenges to National Security External. Yesterday we have seen is our neighboring country because of the China, which challenges we are going to face. Now today we are going to learn our next neighboring country, Bangladesh. Before, see, what about Bangladesh? Before 1971, on the west side of India was West Pakistan, and on the eastern side was East Pakistan. Means before 1971, on the west side of India there was a West Pakistan, and in the east side there was East Pakistan. Thus, there were two Pakistans on both the sides of India. Means before 1971, there were two Pakistans on the both side of India. Means east and west side. East Pakistan was being oppressed and was denied human rights. Means East Pakistan was being oppressed. It was being oppressed, means to keep down by unjust force there. Pakistan keep down their unjust force. Oppress means unjust, to keep down by unjust force, and denied human rights. And they are also denied means rejected or disallowed the human rights to these people in East Pakistan. The people of East Pakistan, see, the people of East Pakistan, under the leadership of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, revolted against the oppressive military regime. Means the people of East Pakistan, under the leadership of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman means he was the person who resist and establish authority, often violently there. Okay, against the oppressive military regime. Oppressive means here burdensome or difficult to bear. Burdensome military regime there. Regime means mode of rule or mode of rule or management. Means here there is a burdensome in East Pakistan. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, he revolted their oppressive or burdensome mode of rule or burdensome mode of management. Regime means mode of rule or management. They fought for their freedom from Pakistan. They fought their freedom for Pakistan. They want the separate country, means East Pakistan want their separate country. They fought for their freedom from Pakistan. These caused tremendous influx of refugees in India. Means this caused a tremendous influx. Influx means flow. Then this cause, because of this, there is a dispute related to East Pakistan and West Pakistan, and because of that, tremendous influx of refugees in India. Influx means flow of means these some people, they are seeking political protection in India. मतलब बहुत सारे लोग वहाँ ऐसे डिस्प्यूट चल रहा था, इसलिए उधर से बर्डन से उधर से बहुत सारे लोग इंडिया में मतलब आश्रय लेने के लिए आए. वी कैन से दैट निर्वासित. India's international system was under huge pressure, and because of that, India's internal system India's internal system was under huge pressure, and because of that, India's internal system has huge pressure there. Therefore, India helped the liberation movement of East Pakistan and an independent Bangladesh came into existence, and that's why India helped to the liberation movement of East Pakistan. मीन्स बहुत सारे लोग इंडिया में आने लगे वहाँ से उधर से डिस्प्यूट्स की वजह से, ईस्ट पाकिस्तान एंड वेस्ट पाकिस्तान, इसीलिए बहुत सारे लोग आश्रय लेने के लिए इंडिया में आने लगे और इसकी वजह से इंडिया में बहुत सारा बर्डन आ गया और दैट्स वाई इंडिया मीन्स they decided to help to liberation movement of East Pakistan and an independence Bangladesh, and that's why independent Bangladesh came into force because of help of India. Okay, India and Bangladesh have maintained good relations since 1971, and from 1917 when Bangladesh was free from Pakistan, from that year there was a good relation between India and Bangladesh. They maintained the good relations. One of the problems that had come up was about Farakka barrage that was built on one of the streams of the Ganga river, and there was one problem related, means there are between Bangladesh and India, it is related to Farakka barrage. Farakka, it is a dam, okay, which are built on the Ganga river. This problem was resolved in 1978 when Farakka agreement was signed by the two countries, and this problem solved with peacefully, okay, between means in 1971. When Farakka agreement was, means this year Farakka agreement was signed between two Bangladesh and India. Tomorrow we will continue the next part of the lesson. Okay, everyone read this lesson. Thank you.